everyone, this is Tushar and he is one of our PTE students who has recently scored 6.5 overall in PTE. So I would like him to share his experience with Western Overseas and the teachers of Western Overseas. Tushar, please.
My experience with Western Overseas Sonipat was good. I have got 6.5 bands each. Moreover, I got 7 in reading and 7 in listening. So I am very happy by getting these marks. This is all I got opportunity from the Western Overseas to get marks in PT. Thanks to my ma'am Sonia ma'am and Neha ma'am, they give a lot of opportunity to get these marks, and the experience of teachers of Western Overseas is good, and they use different type of strategies for students to help them for getting their marks in PT and IELTS also. So thanks to the Pradeep Balan sir also that they opened Western Overseas Sonipat, and students got opportunity to clear these exams.